So I know what a lot of you hesitate with social media is you want to start posting videos with your camera, but you pull out your camera and you're like, all right, I'm ready, I'm gonna make a video, and then nothing comes out. Or maybe you record it and then it doesn't come out how you really want it to come out. And I want to give you a tip that has really it changed the game. A couple of tips, just because I know you may have a business or you may want to start a business. If you can't get on camera, man, you're wasting a lot of opportunities. You're wasting money. You're wasting relationships. You're wasting a lot. So you have to know how to do this. So one of the reasons why when you open up your camera, you kind of like freeze, you hesitate, is because a lot of what you do before you get on camera, that's what matters. So you have to have good energy. You have to be confident. You can't second guess yourself. Second guessing and doubting, that comes from all of the stuff that you didn't do prior to that. So I'm talking about, what time did you wake up? Did you wake up at the time that you wanted to wake up? Did you talk to yourself correctly? Did you speak to yourself in a positive manner? Did you work out? Did you eat the proper foods, or did you eat like trash? All of these little things, these little habits, they compound over time. Now, this is why habits create your habits, and your habits will create you. Over time, if you go off of your habits for, let's say, months or years or decades, yeah, of course, when you pull up that camera, you're gonna be doubting and second guessing yourself. Why? Because you've disregarded your conscience those months, those weeks, those years. So yeah, when you get on camera, you're gonna doubt yourself. So the thing that I really want you to focus on is the work instills the worth. I want you to put in all the little pieces before you get on camera. Do that so you're peaking. Your energy is at the highest point. So when you pull out that camera, you're like, yup, here we go. And so here's the other thing. When you pull out that camera, you think that everybody doesn't want to hear from you. When I pull out the camera, I'm like, man, Mike, Gas Money, he's finally talking to me. That's the scenario that I play in my mind. When you pull it out, you're like, huh, I wonder what this idiot's gonna say. Don't do that. You can't even imagine that. You're using your imagination against you. So when you pull out the camera, think about like, oh, finally, I get to hear what you're about to say to me. So those are the tips that I want you to follow, because I mean, in 2020, in this era, 2025, 2026, you have to be on social media. You have to be able to deliver with solid energy.